In this video, we are going to delete and restore a shared folder. So on ST Server 01, we have third share folder, and then we hit delete, gone. Okay, now to restore it, we go to STVBR, and let's see here, get out of this screen. And then we click on this one, and oops, okay, jobs. Then up to the top, ribbon on the top, restore, Microsoft Hyper-V, restore from backup, restore guest files, restore, and Microsoft window. Click the drop-down menu, ST Server 01, and then next, restore point, next, restore reason, don't need that. Now, summary, restore point less than a day ago. Now, when we click browse, we have to wait for a little while until it brings up a browser, and that's where we will find our, here we go, starting restore session. That's where we will find our folder. So we just have to wait here for a couple seconds. Okay, and so we go to, we hit place it on the D drive, and there it is. Third shared folder. Now, okay, so what we want to do is right click on third share folder and then go select restore and then overwrite. And there it goes. And now we just have to wait until it finishes. Okay, so we have show details, restored folder, monologue path, restore completed. Then we can close that. And then we come back over here to ST Server 01, and we see third share folder has been restored.